This leaves your home smelling good without flies, without mosquitoes, and spending almost nothing. For today's tip, we'll need 2 oranges. Let's take one of them and slice a part of the top of orange, just like I'm doing. Then we'll cut a circle out of her brain. After that, we will sink the cut space to open a hole in the crumb. Now we're going to need a candle, and we're going to insert it into the open hole. I've orange the candle as the main item for this tip. Tell me later what you think of this tip. I hope it has the same result that I had in my house. Then we'll need cloves, being the main item to ward off flies and mosquitoes, using this tip. And we're going to insert it around the candle. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Debbie Deju from Indonesia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Do not worry about the amount of items used. This tip will help a lot in your day-to-day. After that, we'll need 2 sticks. I'm sure you'll thank me after using this tip. And we're going to insert both sides of the candle, like this. The ideal is to use this mixture in places that we most have problems with insects. Then we'll take the top taken from the orange and attach it to the ends of the sticks. And so is ready our tip. Now let's repeat the same steps with the other orange. Let's insert the cloves at the top of the orange. The indicated is to use this mixture directly in the places that have problem with the mosquitoes. Serves perfectly also against ants and even cockroaches. Then we insert the candle in the center of the orange and the sticks next to the candle. This tip is very simple and being one of the best alternatives to end the mosquitoes in your home, and complete with the top of the orange on the sticks. Once done, just light the candles. I'm sure you'll thank me after this video. Be sure to do it at home and comment if you know any tips so I can do and teach others. The smell that exudes through your home will be very pleasant and is what will keep the insects away. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it and tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.